Hello everyone, Happy New Year. So this is my first video for 2023. So this video I will show you how to automate merge tables in different sheets in the same Excel file. This is a response to a comment in my extract all PDF tables separately into Excel with column names using Power Automate Desktop. So the lady here, Atika Tua, has already extracted all the tables from PDF, but the thing is it's all in different sheets in the same Excel file. So she wants to know how to compile all multiple sheets into one sheet. So I have prepared a mock-up Excel file. So this file has 3 sheets, and each sheet has a table with the same column name and same column number. So as you can see, sheet 1 has 3 rows, sheet 2 has 3 rows, sheet 3 has another 3 rows. So I will use Power Automate Desktop to merge all these 3 sheets into one big table. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. The first step is launch Excel. Launch Excel and open the following document. Document path is the file path to the Excel file that contains all your tables in different sheets. Make instant visible, enable. The rest I leave it as default. Variables produced is Excel instance. Then what you do is you get all Excel worksheets. Excel instance is Excel instance. Variables produced is sheet names. And then step 3 and step 4 is actually to read the column name. Alright. So step 3 is get first free column / row from Excel worksheet. Excel's instance is Excel instance. So what this will do is get the first free column, which is the column D, right? And the first free row, which is row 5, right? So the next step is I want Power Automate to read from Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. Retrieve value from a range of cells. Start column 1, start row 1, right? So which is column 1 and row 1, right? And then it's a range of cell. End column would be the first free column minus 1. Just now we have column D, right? Then minus 1, you will get the last column, right? Then end row is obviously it's 1 again, because it's the first row that we want Power Automate to read, which is the column headers, right? So the first few steps is to read this column name, right? Then you launch Excel with a blank document. Make instant visible enabled. The rest you can leave it as default. Variables produced is main Excel instance. Then what you're going to write is write to Excel worksheet, Excel instance, main Excel instance. Value to write is Excel data column name. Write mode on currently active cell. Right. So this one here, step 4, we we actually save the first row, right, as column name, Excel data column name. And now we're going to write to Excel worksheet, write the value Excel data column name. Right now, we need to prepare our file, right, to paste the next few tables into Excel. So what you do is you get first free column slash row from Excel worksheet. Excel instance is main Excel instance. So what this one will do is, if I open up my merge table, so our Automate Desktop will paste the column header already, and then now we want to get the empty rows, first empty row and first empty column. So it will get this A2 and D1, right? So desktop, right? First free column and first free row, and then now you want to ask Power Automate Desktop to activate cell. Activate cell in Excel worksheet means Excel instance is main Excel instance. Activate absolutely specified cell. Column is A, right? So we want it to activate this column A, and then row is first free row, right? So which is row number 2 here, right? The data is all obtained in the previous step. Get first free row or column from Excel worksheet. Okay, so this is the hard part, and now you use for each, right, current item in sheet names. So the sheet names will have all the sheets names in your Excel file, which is step number 2, right? So for each current item in sheet names, right, then you set active Excel worksheet, right? Excel instance is Excel instance. Activate worksheet with name. Worksheet name is current item. Then you read from Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. Retrieve all available values from worksheet, right? Then in the advanced, right, you enable first line of range contains column names. Then a variable produced is Excel data append. So sorry, let me go back to step number 4. Right, make sure in the advanced here you disable first line of range contains column name. If you enable it, it won't read the column name. And now, yeah, if you go back to step 11, right, your advanced, I enable this so that Power Automate Desktop won't read the column name, because we already read the column name in step number 4. Right, make sure you enable this. Then variables produces Excel data append. And you write to Excel worksheet. Excel instance is main Excel instance. Value to write is Excel data append. Write mode is on currently active cell, right? Because we have asked Power Automate Desktop to go to this cell, right? Then it will paste, right? Like that, it will paste. Let me show you manually. So Excel, Power Automate Desktop will paste here, right? So the next step is do a get first free row from Excel worksheet again, right? Excel instance is main Excel instance. Then you activate cell in Excel worksheet. Excel instance is main Excel instance, and absolutely specified cell, column A, and then row, first free row. So what you will do is Power Automate Desktop will go down here again, right? Then it will loop back up, right, to the next current item in the list of sheet names until it finish looping all the sheets, right? Then after the end, you close your Excel, close Excel instance is Excel instance. Before closing Excel, do not save document, right? Then after that, you can save your Excel file with the main Excel instance. Save mode is save document as, document format is XOSX. Then you can put the path of the merge table file. So if I close all my Excel sheet, don't save. So if I click on run, right, you will first open up the Excel table with all the sheets, and then it will slowly paste everything, and then it will close the Excel table with all the different sheets, and then just leave this one open, right, and already save as merge table. So I hope this video has helped you. If this video has helped you, please give this video a like, and you can use the PayPal link to buy me coffee. And most importantly, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.